Did you realize that over 80% of baking soda users are not familiar with its most powerful benefits? That's right. Countless households are quietly overlooking the potential of this ordinary pantry item, which costs just a few cents per use. Baking soda is often considered by numerous experts as the most underrated remedy globally. Think about it. How often have you reached for baking soda to bake a cake or freshen your refrigerator without thinking about its additional applications? What if I revealed that this simple white powder holds a long history of surprising uses, some capable of completely transforming your outlook on health? What are we all missing? And why is it that so few individuals talk about the real potential of baking soda? Many individuals are unaware of the remarkable health advantages of baking soda, which we will explore in this video. Also, I'll detail the essential safety precautions and pinpoint exactly who should be careful with the use of baking soda. If you're attentive to your health and keen on making informed choices, you certainly won't want to skip this. Hello, if you're just joining us on our channel. Before we dive into the health benefits of baking soda, let's get connected. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button on this video to stay updated with all our upcoming content. And I'm curious to know if you're following along with me right now. If this video strikes a chord with you, please type 1 in the comments section. If it doesn't, type 0. We are excited to join you on your journey toward better health, starting right now. Also, please mention your country in the comments to let us know where you're tuning in from. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's dive in. The remarkable health benefits of baking soda. Supports detoxification. Firstly, baking soda is not limited to baking and cleaning applications. It is often praised for its ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Baking soda can help balance acids both inside and outside the body as it turns alkaline when dissolved in water. Baking soda baths are commonly utilized to alleviate mild rashes, reduce itching, and comfort irritated skin. Immersing oneself in a baking soda mixture is believed to extract impurities, resulting in a more balanced body and rejuvenated skin. While there is limited scientific evidence supporting the detoxifying effects of this popular home remedy, numerous individuals claim significant improvement in feeling refreshed and relaxed. The tale grows even more captivating when we look within. Some health advocates believe that by adding a small amount of baking soda to water to alkalize the blood and urine, it helps the body more effectively remove toxins. This concept is supported by some scientific evidence, especially for individuals with certain health conditions. For example, sodium bicarbonate supplements can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing the buildup of acid in the blood. Research in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that baking soda, when used under medical guidance, may improve the body's natural detoxification abilities, especially for individuals needing help managing their acidity levels. However, it's important to remember that your body is typically very effective at maintaining pH balance, and making major dietary changes can be difficult. Moderation is key, as overusing baking soda can lead to adverse effects. When utilized appropriately, baking soda serves as a gentle, affordable way to support your body's natural detoxification mechanisms and provide a feeling of rejuvenation. Additionally, it helps in teeth whitening and improving dental health. Baking soda is a common ingredient in numerous toothpastes and home remedies for good reason. Its effectiveness in teeth whitening and overall dental health is well documented. You may have observed the clean and smooth sensation your teeth experience after using a bit of baking soda for brushing. This is because baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that helps to remove surface stains from tea, coffee, and various foods that could dull your smile. When used appropriately, the mild texture of baking soda polishes teeth effectively without causing significant damage, unlike more aggressive whitening treatments. However, the benefits extend beyond just achieving a brighter smile. Since baking soda is alkaline, it helps neutralize the acids on your tongue. This is important as acidic environments promote the development of harmful bacteria responsible for gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. By restoring your mouth's pH to a balanced state, baking soda aids in maintaining healthier gums and fresher breath, making it less hospitable for dangerous bacteria. These claims are backed by scientific studies. For example, toothpaste containing baking soda has been shown to be significantly more effective at whitening teeth and eliminating plaque than toothpaste lacking it, as noted in research from the Journal of Clinical Dentistry. Another study indicates that baking soda can enhance oral health by reducing the levels of harmful bacteria in the mouth. However, moderation is key. Excessive use of baking soda or aggressive brushing can slowly wear away tooth enamel because of its abrasive qualities. Dental professionals recommend using it just a few times a week, and always with a soft bristled toothbrush. When correctly utilized, baking soda offers a fast, affordable, and simple method for achieving a healthier, brighter, and cleaner smile from the comfort of your home. Additionally, it alleviates heartburn. Numerous individuals experience heartburn, a prevalent and often bothersome condition, especially after eating a rich or spicy meal. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, often starting as a burning feeling in the upper abdomen and potentially extending to the throat. Factors such as pregnancy, weight gain, and certain medical issues like eosinophilic esophagitis or achalasia can heighten the risk of experiencing heartburn. Despite the wide availability of commercial antacids, a quick and simple remedy may be readily available in your own kitchen. A reliable technique for quickly easing heartburn is to dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. This approach is grounded in straightforward science. Since baking soda is alkaline, it helps neutralize the excess stomach acid that leads to the burning sensation. For decades, this remedy has been popular in home treatment because it provides almost immediate relief. Sodium bicarbonate is recognized by health professionals as a rapid response antacid. A review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology confirms that it is effective for quickly easing occasional heartburn. The method is straightforward and simple to grasp. There's no requirement for expensive therapies or a visit to the drugstore. To improve your well-being, all that's necessary is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and just a few minutes. One of the reasons baking soda remains a staple in many households is due to this straightforward solution. This familiar pantry staple can significantly benefit those in search of quick, reliable relief from heartburn, helping you resume your daily activities with ease and comfort. Following that are its antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a widespread nuisance, often presenting as itchy, red, or flaky patches of skin. These infections, including ringworm and athlete's foot, are caused by fungi that flourish in damp environments, especially in warm, moist areas like the feet. While there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays on the market, baking soda offers a simple, natural alternative that you might already have in your kitchen. This everyday household product possesses powerful antifungal characteristics because it changes the conditions fungi need to thrive. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, which disrupts the cell walls of fungi, making survival and growth more challenging for them. Scientific evidence supports that this is more than merely a traditional remedy that has been around for many years. According to research published in the journal Mycopathologia, 80% of the fungal strains tested were inhibited in their growth by a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter. This impressive result highlights the capability of baking soda as a natural antifungal agent. A simple treatment for athlete's foot involves applying a paste of baking soda and water to the affected areas or incorporating it into a foot soak. After just a few sessions, many individuals notice a decrease in itching and discomfort. It's also an excellent option for those who prefer to avoid harsh chemicals since it is non-toxic and calming. This accessible and affordable therapy offers a practical solution for those dealing with stubborn fungal infections, helping them restore comfort and confidence in everyday life. Subsequently, it could help relieve urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Especially for women, UTIs are a common and often painful problem. The symptoms, including a burning sensation during urination, the constant urge to urinate, and overall discomfort, can make daily activities challenging. Although antibiotics are typically the standard treatment, some individuals look for natural options to alleviate symptoms and facilitate recovery. Baking soda is one such remedy that has garnered attention. The rationale for using baking soda to treat UTIs stems from its ability to neutralize acids. When baking soda is mixed with water and consumed in small amounts, it can make the urine less acidic. It might be that altering the pH could create conditions that are less favorable for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, aiding the body in combating the infection. Moreover, the reduction in urine acidity could alleviate the burning sensation that often makes UTIs particularly uncomfortable. Some scientific studies support this approach. 33 women suffering from recurrent urinary tract infections underwent treatment with sodium bicarbonate. A study reported in the Japanese Journal of Urology revealed that many of the participants experienced a substantial improvement in their symptoms after 4 weeks, which included reduced pain and discomfort during urination. While these results are promising, it is important to note that baking soda should not replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. Baking soda could be a gentle and affordable option to alleviate discomfort for individuals seeking additional relief alongside approved treatment. It's important to remember that serious or persistent symptoms of a UTI require prompt medical attention. When used correctly, baking soda may be a helpful supplement in managing urinary comfort and health. Canker sores can be effectively treated. If you've ever experienced the severe discomfort of a canker sore, you know how troublesome these small oral ulcers can be. Fortunately, there is good news. Baking soda might just be the simple, economical remedy you need. After ulcers, often known as canker sores, are commonly triggered by stress, minor oral injuries, or specific foods. They can make eating, drinking, and even talking painful. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is highly effective in these cases because it has the unique ability to neutralize oral acids and create a more balanced pH environment. This is crucial because an acidic environment can worsen discomfort and slow down healing. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, typically a half teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and accelerate recovery. However, this is backed by scientific evidence, so don't just rely on my statement alone. In individuals experiencing frequent bouts of stomatitis at home, mouthwashes containing sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced pain and hastened recovery. Research featured in the Journal of the American Dental Association indicates that baking soda possesses mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help maintain cleanliness of the sore and prevent bacterial proliferation, both essential for healing. Moreover, baking soda is gentle, making it less likely to exacerbate the condition compared to some over-the-counter treatments. Next time you feel a canker sore coming on, consider using a simple baking soda rinse. This is a natural, scientifically endorsed approach that you can easily prepare in your kitchen to alleviate pain and enhance oral health. Additionally, it improves exercise performance afterwards. Did you know that a common kitchen staple could offer a substantial health benefit? Indeed, baking soda isn't just for cleaning your sink or baking cakes. Athletes have discovered it as a secret tool to fight muscle fatigue and enhance athletic performance. Here's how it works. During intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which causes a drop in pH and leads to that familiar burning sensation. This increase in acidity is a primary cause of muscle fatigue, often making you halt your exercise before you truly want to. Sodium bicarbonate, often referred to as baking soda, naturally acts as a buffering agent. When consumed before physical activity, it helps to neutralize the excess acid in your muscles, allowing you to exercise more intensely and for a longer duration. This effect is well supported by scientific evidence, beyond just being a piece of fitness folklore. This concept is well supported by scientific research. A meta-analysis of multiple studies featured in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research shows that taking sodium bicarbonate supplements significantly improves performance in short-duration, high-intensity activities such as cycling, swimming, and sprinting. The research indicates that athletes who took baking soda could maintain peak performance for longer periods and experienced a postponement in the onset of fatigue. Typically, athletes take a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water about 60 to 90 minutes before their workout. It's crucial to begin with small amounts because consuming too much can lead to gastrointestinal issues like nausea or bloating. If you're looking for a natural, scientifically backed way to enhance your stamina and get the most out of your training, baking soda could be a good option to consider. However, before adding it to your regimen, particularly if you have any existing health issues, remember to consult with a healthcare provider. Give it a try and observe if there's an improvement in your next exercise session. This may help improve kidney function. Consider the possibility that something as simple as baking soda could support and safeguard your kidneys, especially if you suffer from chronic kidney disease, CKD. Metabolic acidosis is a disorder that develops when the kidneys cannot sufficiently remove acid from the bloodstream in numerous individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. This excess of acid can impact overall health and accelerate kidney disease. Here is where sodium bicarbonate, commonly referred to as baking soda, becomes beneficial. It aids in neutralizing the acid levels in your bloodstream by functioning as a natural antacid. By reducing the acidity in your blood, baking soda can alleviate the pressure on your kidneys and may even help prevent the development of kidney disease. There is genuine scientific evidence supporting this. It's not merely a home remedy. Individuals suffering from severe chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis were the focus of a pivotal research study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology. The scientists found that the decline in kidney function was significantly slower in individuals who consumed daily sodium bicarbonate tablets compared to those who did not. In fact, there was a decreased likelihood of reaching end-stage renal disease and requiring dialysis in the group that took baking soda. Additionally, enhancements in blood bicarbonate levels, a key measure of the body's acid-base balance, were noted in the research. It's important to remember that baking soda is not a cure-all and should not be used without consulting a physician. Overuse, especially in individuals with cardiac or renal issues, may lead to complications such as elevated blood pressure or water retention. Always consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda as a supplement. If you or someone you are familiar with is dealing with chronic kidney disease, a regular item found in your kitchen could significantly affect kidney health and overall well-being when used correctly and with proper guidance. Furthermore, this item can alleviate arthritis symptoms. Consider the possibility of using baking soda, an everyday product likely already in your pantry, to reduce the discomfort caused by arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is notably marked by persistent inflammation that leads to joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, complicating everyday activities. While most individuals turn to medications and physical therapy for symptom relief, recent studies suggest that baking soda might offer a practical and safe option. The science supporting this is both intriguing and promising. A 2018 research article in the Journal of Immunology reveals that drinking a daily mixture of baking soda and water might influence the body's immune system. The study indicates that sodium bicarbonate can soothe the autoimmune processes responsible for conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, and it aids the body in activating its anti-inflammatory mechanisms. Researchers observed a shift in the immune cell balance towards a state that promotes less inflammation, with both human and animal subjects experiencing a noticeable reduction in inflammation indicators. Thus, baking soda might help calm the immune system and reduce joint pain and inflammation, significant issues for individuals suffering from arthritis. This study opens up considerable possibilities for arthritis patients. By adding a straightforward baking soda beverage or rinse to your everyday regimen, it may be achievable to diminish inflammation and improve joint ease. It is uplifting and inspiring to realize that an everyday household item could potentially alleviate arthritis pain. Although additional studies are needed to completely understand the long-term benefits, this serves as a reminder that often the simplest solutions are right in front of us, then manages the symptoms of gout. Known for being a particularly painful form of arthritis, gout usually targets the big toe or other joints and is marked by sudden intense pain, redness, and swelling. The root cause is a buildup of uric acid in the bloodstream, leading to inflammation and the formation of sharp crystals within the joints. Identifying methods to decrease uric acid levels and relieve the resulting pain is often essential for controlling gout. Here, sodium bicarbonate or baking soda comes into play as an effective home remedy. Since baking soda is alkaline, it can neutralize excess uric acid in the blood, diminishing the chance of forming those painful crystals. By helping restore a more balanced pH, baking soda may reduce both the frequency and severity of gout flare-ups. Alkalizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can actually help dissolve uric acid crystals and promote their removal via urine, offering relief from the sharp symptoms of gout. According to research published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism, during a flare-up, many individuals discover that drinking a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps alleviate discomfort. Besides easing pain, baking soda might also reduce joint inflammation, potentially leading to more comfortable and less painful movement. Baking soda can be a valuable component in your gout management toolkit, but it is essential to remember that it should always be used under the guidance of a physician. This ensures that you gain the benefits without encountering any problems. Thus, if you are looking for a natural, scientifically validated way to manage gout symptoms, baking soda might be the simple solution right from your pantry. Additionally, it helps alleviate the symptoms of colds and flu. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by symptoms such as a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and constant congestion when cold and flu season hits. However, did you know that baking soda, a simple and affordable staple, can be a powerful ally in your fight against these common illnesses? The natural alkaline properties of baking soda can help break down stubborn mucus, allowing for clearer nasal passages and enhanced breathing. This is especially beneficial if you consistently suffer from a runny or blocked nose. Gargling with baking soda stands out as one of the top methods for addressing colds and the flu. To alleviate a sore, swollen throat, you can create a comforting solution by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water. Besides alleviating pain, gargling with this concoction reduces the number of bacteria and germs in your throat and mouth, which impedes viral proliferation. Regular gargling with a baking soda solution can significantly decrease throat pain and microbial presence, leading to a faster recovery from upper respiratory infections, as reported in a study by the Journal of the American Dental Association. Baking soda can also enhance saline nasal rinses to further clear congestion. It enhances your body's natural defenses and accelerates your recovery by neutralizing acids and dissolving mucus. Hence, consider reaching for some baking soda the next time you feel unwell. It's a gentle, scientifically endorsed remedy that can greatly influence the speed of your recovery from colds and the flu, showing that often the most effective treatments are available right in your kitchen. It could then enhance cancer treatments. While it might appear improbable, the scientific community is growing increasingly intrigued by the potential that baking soda could assist in treating cancer. Acidic conditions are recognized for promoting the growth of cancer cells and may also boost their resistance to some therapies. Due to its natural alkalizing properties, baking soda has been studied for its potential to alter the pH around tumor cells, potentially diminishing the environment that enables cancer to proliferate. A notable study published in the journal Cancer Research in 2009 explored this possibility. The research found that administering sodium bicarbonate to mice with metastatic breast cancer significantly reduced the acidity of the tumors. The alteration in pH curbed the cancer's progression and heightened the tumor cell's responsiveness to chemotherapy. These findings suggest that baking soda could boost the effectiveness of conventional cancer therapies by neutralizing the acidic surroundings. To improve patient results, researchers are now exploring if antacids like baking soda can be safely combined with chemotherapy or other treatments. It's important to emphasize that this research is still in the preliminary stages. While the results in animal studies are promising, more human clinical trials need to be conducted before baking soda can be recommended as part of a standard cancer treatment regimen. Baking soda should be considered a potential addition that might enhance existing treatments in the future, rather than a miraculous cure. Always seek guidance from your healthcare providers before starting any new supplements or treatments, especially if you or someone close to you is undergoing cancer therapy. Lastly, consider using natural deodorant. Baking soda could be the solution you need if you're seeking a quick, completely natural way to remain fresh throughout the day. Originating from your kitchen, baking soda is a straightforward, effective option. In contrast to many store-bought deodorants that contain synthetic chemicals and artificial fragrances, its effectiveness lies in its ability to absorb extra moisture and neutralize the acidic components in sweat that lead to body odor. This ensures you remain free from odor even during your most active days by fostering an environment where odor-causing microorganisms struggle to thrive. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant is backed by science, not just anecdotal evidence. When used directly on the skin, sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor, as reported in a study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. The alkaline qualities of baking soda, experts point out, effectively diminish unpleasant smells by neutralizing the acids that bacteria and sweat produce. Moreover, baking soda is an excellent option for individuals with sensitive skin or those looking to avoid harsh chemicals, as it contains no parabens, aluminum, or synthetic fragrances. Using baking soda as a deodorant is straightforward. For additional moisture absorption, lightly dust a small amount under your arms. You can use it alone or mix it with a bit of coconut oil. This is effective even in warm temperatures or while engaging in physical activity, helping you stay fresh and dry. Baking soda remains a favored choice for individuals seeking a natural, eco-friendly approach to personal care. While everyone's skin varies and some might need to check for sensitivity, consider using baking soda if you're ready to avoid chemical-laden products. It offers a simple, scientifically backed way to maintain freshness with confidence all day long. Who should be careful? Although baking soda offers numerous impressive health benefits, it's important to recognize that it's not suitable for everyone. Especially when thinking about higher doses or regular use, whether internally or externally, certain groups need to exercise considerable caution. For example, individuals with kidney issues need to be particularly careful because of the sodium in baking soda. Those with compromised kidney function might struggle to eliminate surplus sodium, potentially leading to fluid retention and additional complications. Likewise, those with high blood pressure should be cautious. Baking soda can be harmful for individuals who are managing hypertension because its high sodium content may increase blood pressure. Likewise, baking soda can alter stomach pH and potentially worsen gastrointestinal conditions such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux. Those with these health issues should consult with a healthcare provider before using it. Another category of women who need to be careful with baking soda includes those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Excessive use can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, potentially impacting both the mother and the fetus. Also, it is wise to begin with a small amount of baking soda, as individuals with known allergies or sensitivities might suffer from skin irritation or gastrointestinal issues. Finally, baking soda can exacerbate respiratory issues by irritating the air passages. Consequently, individuals with respiratory ailments should avoid inhaling it. It is essential to use moderation and follow proper guidelines in all cases. Before adding baking soda to your daily health routine, it is wise to consult a healthcare provider if you belong to any of these groups or have pre-existing medical conditions. Baking soda is far more than just a simple pantry staple. Indeed, it's a powerful and versatile tool that can benefit your health in many surprising ways. Its benefits, encompassing the treatment of gout, alleviation of sore throats, and enhancement of athletic performance, are backed by both scientific research and traditional use. However, it is important to remember to use baking soda in moderation and consult a healthcare provider if you encounter any issues. Do you have any personal tips to share, or have you experimented with using baking soda for any of these treatments? Drop a comment below with your questions and experiences. We enjoy hearing from you. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it useful. We value your support and interest in our channel greatly. We've carefully chosen 2 videos that we believe will further enhance your learning experience. We look forward to seeing you when you click on one of them.